Welcome, Mr. Mano. You're from Yakult. It's a privilege that you're here. And Dr. Neerja, you're the expert of Yakult. So I'm going to ask you a question. How is Yakult involved in everything to do with gut? And, how do you see Yakult coming into this area of gut health? Yeah.
Okay. So like we just heard, thank you first for the question. So like we just heard that gut is basically central to all health conditions, and this is one organ of the human body which has been highly neglected. But today we know that gut is not just about digestion of food, absorption of nutrients, but it is also the largest immune organ of the human body.
All right.
So 70% of your immune system is located in the gut. We have heard about the gut-brain axis. It is known as the second brain of the human body.
All right.
It is very closely linked to the brain, through the vagus nerve, like we just heard. Now, in the gut, what allows the gut to function? So, in the gut, you have 100 trillion microbes.
My God.
So, what we just heard was that we are 10 trillion human cells and there are 100 trillion microbes. So, we really do not know who's the host.
All right.
So these microbes, which are found largely in the gut, are both good and bad.
All right.
The good so-called bacteria help in digestion of food, they help in absorption of nutrients, and they play a very, very important role in building your immune system.
All right.
The harmful bacteria or the disease-causing bacteria, on the other hand, they cause disease, they allow for the entry of toxins into your body, and they also, kind of weaken your immune system, increasing your risk of infections. And not only that, these good bacteria also produce what is known as neurotransmitters in the gut.
All right.
And they play a very, very important role in deciding your brain function.
Oxytocin and
all of that, all the
dopamine,
serotonin. 90% of the serotonin is actually produced in the gut. So now when we look at the good and the bad, the good are very, very important. And because of our lifestyle, because of poor nutrition, because of stress, because of pollution, because of antibiotics, the good decline and the bad overtake them.
Okay.
And when that happens, you have poor digestion, you have a weak immunity, you are at increased risk of infections. And actually these microbes are being linked to almost 25 different disorders today. So it's a chicken and egg. We don't know what came first, whether it was the microbes, the imbalance in the microbes, which results in disease, or the other way around. So this is where Yakult comes in. Yakult has those good bacteria, and these reach your intestine alive to increase the good bacteria in the intestine and thereby improve digestion, boost immunity, and reduce risk of infections.
You're going to give me a lot of Yakult now.
Yes.
Thanks so much.
So that is Yakult.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Neerja. Thanks a lot, Mr. Mano. It was wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you.